Morning. So today the Massey Ferguson 675 has arrived. We've bought this as a non-running project. We're pretty excited to get working on it and see what we can do with it. So I'll take you guys around it. So as you can see, the cab, it's got the usual bit of rot going on. Doesn't worry us too much, as we can always sort that out. It's only a bit of tin work, as Dad would like to say. It's even got the original front headlights on it. We'll put a cover on the exhaust. If you look at the engine there, she looks all right. We just need to take the bonnet off and get in there and see what's going on. Take you around the back end. Back end looks like new. Look at that. It looks really good on the back end there. Again, just a bit of the old rot around the cab slightly. Doesn't worry us too much. Yeah, we're really happy with this. This is going to be a fun project to do. We've already been around with the WD-40. Well, we don't actually use that, we use the GT85. Just freeing up everything that we can. Getting it on there, working its way in. So the story behind this one is it's been parked up for, we think it was about 5 years minimum. It lost its drive, but the engine was still running, and it's just been sat there ever since. So it was pulled out of the usual hedgerow, bramble type of thing. Let's have a look inside. Oh, so the floor is well, what you'd expect. I mean, it's still got part of the floor there, missing a bit here. Can weld a plate in there if we need to, and a bit of rot in the doors. It's not too bad. Let's show you inside. Oh, even got the key still, which is good. The seat is absolutely comfortable. Oh, it's got a cover on it, but yeah, she's good one. The roof line is all right. There's no leaks at all. It's nice and dry inside. Step our way up and in. So there is brakes stuck on, the clutch is stuck on. We think it might be that the it lost drive because the clutch was stuck on. So we will be looking at that. It's only done 7,600 hours, which is quite low for the age. I mean, it's more than our Renault 651 over there. I'll tell you what, oh, she's more comfortable. It's it's much more comfortable to sit in here than to sit in the Renault. In the Renault, you're sitting down, or you just sat down, you're like, oh, this is not nice. But hey, it's a tractor, what do you expect? So yeah, we're pretty happy with this. This is going to be a fun project. We're going to be doing this as a mini series, so there'll be lots of videos coming up on this. It'll be slow progress, but we'll get there as we do. I've got other mini series coming up as well, because we are going to be restoring the horse box behind me as well. We'll get that done, so keep your eyes out for those sorts of videos. They're going to be really fun. They're coming up thick and fast. It doesn't have any steering in here either, actually, which again could all be linked in. Oh, let's jump out. Oh. Let's shut the door. So yeah, what do you guys reckon on this then? I know it's got a bit of rot on that, but God, she's an absolute dream of a tractor. She's lovely. I am pretty excited if we can get her up and running and use her. Oh, be nice to follow on the Renault when Dad's in the Renault and I'll be in that. That would be fun. That'd be really fun. Well, obviously the best part about it is the fact she is a Massey Ferguson. So yeah. Right guys, so I hope you enjoyed our walk around of our restoration project, the Massey Ferguson 675. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please give us a like, give us a comment, let us know what you think of it. I'll really be interested to see what you guys say about it and what you think on it. Gorgeous tractor. So yeah, right, as Mitch would say across the pond, see you on the next one.